The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica is a flexible minivan that is available in both gas and plug-in hybrid models. Pacifica comes in a variety of trim levels, including Touring, Touring L, Limited, Hybrid Select, and Hybrid Pinnacle. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica has received praise for its unique features, such as the stow-and-go seating system, which allows the second and third rows to fold down into the floor for more cargo area. The Chrysler Pacifica hybrid model combines a regular petrol engine with an electric motor, allowing it to travel on electric power alone for short journeys. The Pacifica, which is available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, outperforms rivals such as the Kia Carnival, Honda Odyssey, and Toyota Sienna in terms of powertrain options. The Pacifica Hybrid is powered by a 260 horsepower plug-in hybrid motor that provided an impressive 540 miles of range in our most recent highway fuel economy test. The Pacifica's sliding rear passenger doors enable it to do things that SUVs cannot, such as rapidly getting people into and out of the second and third rows. The Pacifica's interior is attractive and luxurious, made even more so with the premium Pinnacle trim. Upscale Limited and Pinnacle models have bigger center consoles that merge more fluidly with the dash, giving them a more SUV-like sensation behind the wheel. There was enough room within the Chrysler standard captain's chairs for 53 items of carry-on luggage, when the second and third row seats were folded. Although it is an optional feature, a built-in vacuum cleaner occupies space that may be used for a small spare tire. The glossy 10.1-inch touchscreen of the van's infotainment system, Uconnect 5, is surrounded by climate control vents on the dashboard. Pacifica features a wirelessly connectable Wi-Fi hotspot in addition to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. The optional rear seat entertainment system can be utilized with Amazon Fire TV to stream TV shows and movies through built-in streaming apps, and it has 2 touchscreens to help keep kids entertained. There are up to 12 USB ports in the Pacifica's cabin, including USB-C ports for quicker smart device charging. The 2025 Pacifica is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 287 horsepower and a 9-speed automated transmission. The Pacifica Hybrid has fewer total horsepower thanks to a 3.6-liter V6 engine and 2 electric motors powered by a 16.0 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. In our testing, the Pacifica Hybrid took half a second longer to reach 60 miles per hour than its more powerful siblings. The maximum towing capability of the Chrysler Pacifica is 3,600 pounds. In addition to being roomy, a minivan must be economical with petrol. On our 75-mile-per-hour route fuel economy test, the Pacifica Limited returned an amazing 31 miles per gallon. The Pacifica Hybrid has an electric powertrain that can travel up to 33 miles and is rated at 84 mph combined. It matched the EPA's 33-mile range estimate in town. The Pacifica Hybrid accomplished 23 miles of highway travel on electric power alone before the petrol engine kicked in. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica comes equipped with various standard driver assistance and safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, front parking sensors, surround view camera system, hands-free parking assist, emergency vehicle alert system, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, rear seat warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams.